So, my dear friends, hello, electric uncle, hat wale, again with you with a new project. You know, ours is a free education platform to help the needy students related to free education as well as to provide material to the students who are under poverty line. So just we need your help to promote it. Watch, always subscribe the video. It is multi-tech education for you. A free platform for everybody for education, but material for the students below poverty line. We have just started. So, if you subscribe, push the bell, share it, it will be a great help to promote our this free education platform. At the moment, I am alone and pushing up the things, and we have so many contents, means whatever student want to learn he can find in our videos like PCB designing, programming, coding, and lighting effects, LED effects, basic videos for basic knowledge. So let us start. In next part we will continue. I will tell you, not manually, and the alternative is there. See, at the top there is written root. We called it routing also. You come at root, auto router has left one wire without routing, that blue wire. So we will do it again. So again we are going to auto route. Here it is. Okay. Okay. Now see, only one wire is left by it, which is showing blue. So what we will do, we can make it manual. We will select wire. Auto router is not picking up this wire, so we can make it manually. If you use local, which is unavailable, so we have to install a local auto router. If you will do it from there, all the wires will come. You can try for that. Now we will see the 3D view. Now one more thing we will add it afterwards. We will make holes at the four corners to fix it in a box, in DB. So this is the 3D model, just select it, will come there. These things are easy in easy EDA. Now this is schematic, this is PCB, and that is 3D view. We have to save it so that not to lose anything. Now this is here. In the last, now we will make holes. Then in the last we will write down the name also below. This is schematic, this board. You can print it out also, export it from the file. You see, export BOM, export PNG file for the printout to make it at home, your PCB. 3D module you can export for your records. You see, it is now on desktop. We have exported it, and this zip file has come over there. This is PCB layout for the printout or for something to make it at home. You just open it. Now it is 3D model, sorry. But here its look is different, right? So there are so many ways to export. So this has come. Now we will import model, 3D model also. From the files, go there, export. This is the BOM, bill of material, BOM. You can export this also and send it to the company for the order of the components. So now BOM, everything you see. Now we will put the holes. We have select from the edit the hole and put all the four. You will see in the model also these holes. Save. We'll go to 3D view. But it is previously selected. We will select the fresh one, 3D view. Now see, the holes has appeared in your PCB, right? This is 2D view. You can export it also. Color you can change. Select any one from the right side, from the selected objects, from the attributes. So different colors, whichever you like, you can choose it. It is up to you. And the same PCB you will get after placing the order to Jlcpcb. Or anyone, any manufacturer, you can send Gerber file. It is not compulsion. From where you like, you can send that Gerber file and get it manufactured. In the last, I will show you the Gerber file, how to make it so. So I will prefer red color, right? In photo also it has come, see. Now we will take the measurement of our PCB. We select from the edit, measure, it is coming 46 mm, means near about 4.6 centi. It is near about 26. So now we know the size of our PCB overall, and this is the penalizing. Now what people they do, they just place order for this one PCB. When you can get 6 PCBs in one piece, because they charge for 10 centimeter by 10 centimeter. In 10 centimeter by 10 centimeter we can make 6. So 5 10 centimeter by 10 centimeter PCBs, we can get 30 PCBs, not 5, for $2. So now see, the 3 PCBs are coming. I selected 2 by 3. At the moment 1 by 3. So I will select the row, one more row. Again I will go to Penalize and I will select 2 rows here. Just only this you have to select, 2 by 3. Now you see there are 6 PCBs appearing in it. And we'll go to fabrication, PCB fabrication file, Gerber. Now we will get 6 in 1. So they will send 5. 5 means 30 PCBs you will get. Most economical way. Normally in the videos they don't teach it. It is especially I am telling you always to penalize your PCB as per your size. Now here we can add the text also. I will write my education platform name here. In the text, just right click that, select the text and write it here. And it will appear there on our PCB. On the top layer, we can give it so. Rest nothing to touch, just update. Now it has come here. You will drag it in the center below. That's it. Now the name is there. We can select the color also of the text. From the right side you see at the top layer we can select the color. Now PCB fabrication file, we will go to the Gerber file. You will select it, yes, choose. So it has come here. Our PCB will be like this. Now we will go to the Gerber view also. I will show you the Gerber view. It will show 6 files. You see, there have come 6 PCBs. And this is our Gerber file. We will download it. And we can place order to Jlcpcb or to any other manufacturer like this. So 6 pieces we will get in one PCB. So means there will be, they offer 5 PCB for $2. So we will get how much? 30 PCBs. This is the Gerber file. And there is a Gerber viewer also. You can download that Gerber V, where you can see this Gerber file. Open it in that afterwards. But for the computer order, you need this Gerber file. So from Jlcpcb we will come to Jlcpcb. We will select it. That we have exported already. It is okay. For the components order, if you want to place anywhere, just download it also. And we have already downloaded. Now we will move to Jlcpcb, the manufacturer. So the site will open of Jlcpcb. Order now, right? So we can move here. I will show you one more thing, more economical. How to order. Add Gerber file. You have saved on your desktop. You can add it from there. And to any manufacturer, this is the same process. Just add your Gerber file. Here we will add it. Open. And all the detail will come here. Nothing to change. You have to select the country. For the shipment cost, I have selected in dollars. You see, it will be like this. This is the front side, that is the back side. It is in 2 layers. Correct? Now, one more economical way to get it manufactured. That is the shipping method. If you will choose DHL Express, very high cost, $45. So nobody tell you generally in the videos for the economical ways. I don't have so much money, so I have to find out. Now I have to choose the country here. Which country I want to get it? Say India. I will select India. It comes here. Now you see how much is the cost. Now we'll choose dollar, save. So now it will appear at right side. DHL Express priority. You see, click on it. How much? $42. It is asking. So why we should go there? People, they always select that. I will select the most lowest one, the registered mail, registered air mail. So it is $7 only. That is $45. So how much it will cost you? $9 only. So this care you have to take it. So now just put your email address, this and that, and proceed with the order. So gentlemen, we will meet in the next video with something more.